At this week din mangyayari itong sinasabi nating FOMC statement. Malaki pong bagay ito, no? So alas 2 po ito ng April 30, Kamiranda. Ito na ang huling meeting ni Powell. This is gonna be the last meeting niya. At marami nagsasabi na siya lang naman talaga ang dahilan kung bakit medyo hindi umaakyat. Hindi bumababa ang interest rates, no? Siya na lang naman talaga ang dahilan diyan. At ang sinasabi ng marami sa kanyang huling araw sa May 15, pagtungtong ng May 16, it's gonna be Kevin Warsh who I think was confirmed by the Senate already, no? In the next 2 days lalabas po ang panibagong FOMC meeting and everyone is confirming a pause on rates. 100% of the market is confirming a pause. Kumaga, walang galaw, walang mangyayari kahit ano, as is yan. The market is pricing in a pause. Pero kung babalatan po nating mabuti, according nga sa maraming balita, that meeting is going to end an era, Kamiranda. No? So final press conference niya is going to be on Thursday ng madaling araw sa atin, no? At papalit na nga po, no, si Kevin Warsh. Like what I've said, Kamiranda, when Kevin Warsh steps in, malayo-layo pa yung meeting na papamunuan niya, no? Sa June 17 pa yung pamumunuan niyang meeting. And when we take a look at the June 17 priced-in numbers, 95% of the market is saying na hindi gagalaw, 5% lamang ang nagsasabing merong rate cut. But it's too early to tell, no? Kasi it's gonna be technically almost 20 more days na iintayin po natin. It's too early to declare victory kasi ang pwedeng mangyari dito, or defeat rather, ang pwedeng mangyari dito is when Kevin Warsh steps in, magbago yung tono ng Fed at biglang mag-cut ng rates. At pag nangyari ito, hindi ito sell in May and go away.